Hey there and welcome. I'm so glad that you stopped by my home today. If you need some encouragement, motivation, and inspiration to get up, get moving, and get some cleaning done around your home, this is the video for you. Again, hello and welcome. My name is Lesa. If you are new and visiting for the first time, we're in my kitchen. We're gonna get it clean. We're gonna do counters, floors, sink, whatever we have time for. I have a load of laundry here of towels that need to be folded and put away. And then what else? I don't know, because I have to pop out to a doctor's appointment here shortly, so I only have maybe 30 to 45 minutes to work on this, and we're just gonna see how much we get done. Maybe a little, maybe a lot, but it is progress over perfection, and doing one little thing is better than doing nothing at all. This load of towels just came out of the dryer, so I'm going to make quick work of folding it and putting everything away, and clears off the table so that it doesn't stare menacingly at you, the longer it sits there, giving you the stink eye.
Everything's alright with the violet sky on my skin. Ooh, baby, I feel high with the violet sky on my skin. Let me breathe deep, let me get away. There's no place else I'd rather be. Ooh, everything's alright with the violet sky. A violet sky on my skin. Sky, the way. Ooh, sky, the way. Ooh, sky, the way. Baby, bye, baby, bye. Sky, the way. Ooh, sky, the way. Ooh, sky, the way. Everything's alright with the violet sky on my skin. Ooh, baby, I feel high with the violet sky on my skin. Let me breathe deep, let me get away. There's no place else I'd rather be. Ooh, everything's alright with the violet sky. A violet sky on my skin.
I got that laundry put away. Raider's just relaxing there. I'm gonna put his toy up, and then this area will be all done. I'm gonna vacuum and try to mop in here, so we'll see if I have time for that before I head out to my appointment. And yeah, I didn't put it up, he just moved it to another spot in the floor. I love to run my dishwasher overnight. That way it's not loud, first of all, here in our family area, but then it's ready to unload the next day. So I'm gonna unload this. I have a few things to put back in here that are dirty in the sink, and then I'm gonna start wiping down the countertops.
I wanna call your phone, tell you what you did wrong, then ask you to come over. Not very good with
to encourage you to not be discouraged if your home is not as neat and tidy as mine is. We are all in different stages of life. We all have different responsibilities, different personalities that lend to what our space looks like around them. I am a self-diagnosed neat freak, and clutter just is a trigger for me with anxieties. So for me, a clean space is a clear mind, and I work very hard at it every day. I don't want you to feel discouraged if your personality is different. That doesn't make one of us right and the other wrong. It is just who we are, and every day just strive to do something different, something to take that small leap forward in becoming the person and creating the home that you want that works for your family. And don't let anything you see here on YouTube or over on social media ever make you feel bad about how God designed you, because you are precious to Him.
Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad for business. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad for business. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad for business. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad for business. Not very good with decisions. Know what's right, but I don't listen. And I should change, shouldn't need you, but I wake up and I miss you. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad for business. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad for business. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad for business. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad.
Does anybody else feel like they're constantly wiping their countertops down? It's just my husband and youngest son here. Currently, my oldest son is at college, so there's not that much traffic or little kids, but it feels like there's always crumbs. So who else is like that? Let me know in the comments, because I feel like I'm on a hamster wheel.
Oh, yeah, the boom, boom, bomb, it rocks my heart. Boom, boom, shake, tear me apart. Baby, your boom, boom, bomb, it rocks my world right, right. Hey, hey, all I need, I brought the fire to your gasoline. Hey, take.
I recently found this little dish in the spring section at Hobby Lobby. It was 40% off. I think that made it like $3.50. I think it's maybe for ice cream serving or some kind of serving dish. But I thought it was perfect to put my little soap dispensing scrubby here that I use on my dishes. It won't spill the water out, and it's like cute and attractive. I love the shape of it, and you can repurpose it for all kinds of things around your house. So I love to use things like that have multiple functions.
Rocks my heart, boom boom shake, tear me apart, baby. Your boom boom bomb, it rocks my world right, right. Hey, hey, all I need, I brought the fire to your gasoline.
If you love Sprayway glass cleaner, you will love this Sprayway multi-surface disinfecting spray. I love it. It has a good scent to it, and I feel like it does a really good job in cleaning. If you want to give it a try, I find this at Walmart. I've also seen it at Lowe's home improvement store.
Hey, hey, all I need, I brought
filmed this cleaning right before Easter, so I still have all my Easter decorations up in this video. I was afraid I might be sidelined for a little bit because of the injections I was getting at my appointment. They are in my neck for some herniated discs. If you follow along with me over on Instagram, I'm at Uniquely Lesa 2. That's Lisa with an E and the number 2. I share more about stuff like that over there. So if you have Instagram, come follow me. But I recorded this before Easter, trying to get things in order in case I was sidelined from those injections. Like I said, it is obviously now past Easter weekend, and I will be keeping a lot of my spring decor that I have been sharing in place, but I want to take down a lot of the bunny rabbits and more Easter oriented decor and replace that with just general spring type light and airy things around my home. So be watching for that to come your way soon, along with a lot of other content I have planned. So many new friends here in the community, and I'm so glad to have all of y'all. But if you haven't gotten a chance yet to meet me and get to know me a little more, I just want to take a minute to share a little bit about myself. I am a stay-at-home wife and mother. I am married to my high school sweetheart. I have 2 older boys. My oldest is away at college, and my youngest is a senior at high school and will be heading to college in the fall. So I am quickly approaching an empty nest. So with that empty nest coming, I decided a little over a year ago to start a YouTube channel and share my passion for homemaking and housekeeping. I love to decorate. That is a hobby of mine, and it is very therapeutic for me, and it gives me a creative outlet within my home to share with my family and friends. And through YouTube, that extends to you as well. I consider y'all my friends here when you visit my home on my channel. My degree and background before being a stay-at-home mother is in fashion design, so I love fashion and sometimes even share that here on my channel. So you never know what you're going to find at Uniquely Lesa.
Why does love always have to be this hard? It's got me feeling like
Today I am using my Swiffer Wet Jet mopping system and pad because we are short on time. It just makes it quick and easy to get these floors clean.
again, again. Really turn me on, then I met you.
Be on the lookout for a lot of deep cleaning coming your way. I'm going to start my spring cleaning soon. I have delayed it a little bit because my son is graduating in May. I am hosting his graduation party here at my house, and so I wanted all of my deep cleaning to be done closer to that party time so that it was fresh and ready for that event. But I will be bringing that your way. And let me know in the comments if you are interested in any entertaining and party type videos. I would be happy to share with you if anybody is interested on how I go about planning and hosting and entertaining in my home for large gatherings like the graduation party. So talk to me in the comments. I always love to hear from you. We didn't get everything done today that I had hoped, but we made a lot of progress, and that is better than perfection because it is those tiny steps that you take every day that help to keep and maintain your home. I hope you are inspired to spend some time cleaning in your own home today, even if it is just a baby step forward, unless you were cleaning alongside me. I know a lot of you do that as well, and I appreciate the opportunity to entertain or keep you company. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up. I greatly appreciate that. And talk to me in the comments below. I love to hear from you. If you haven't already, what's stopping you? You know you want to hit that subscribe bar and join my family here. I most definitely would love for you to come back and spend more time with me in my home. I hope you have the most wonderful and blessed day, and I look forward to seeing you on here again real soon.